In this video, we'll look into how to create macros in Microsoft Excel. We are considering this data month and then sales from January to December, and the sales are fluctuating like 50, 40, 60 is increasing and then decreasing and then increasing again. So these are the sales values for the months Jan to December. Now we'll create a macro to highlight the cells which are greater than a certain sales or less than a certain sales. So let us see how we can do that. So initially we have to go to this ribbon, so right click here and have to customize the ribbon, and here we have to check the developer tab, click OK. So now the developer tab will be created here. Click on developer tab, click on macros. So we'll create a macro here, we'll give the name mcr1, and here a macros in this workbook. Then click on create. So here we got this sub mcr1 and sub. Here we have to write the code. Here we'll write the code in rng as range in r range set rng is equal to sales are from B2 to B13. So range of to B13. Now for each or in RNG, write the next. So in this for each loop, we will check if or dot value is greater than 90. If the sales are greater than 90, then or dot period dot color is equal to VB green. So the sales are greater than 90, we will give the color green. Else if or dot value is less than 50, then we'll give the color or dot interior dot color is equal to VP red. Else give the color or dot color is equal to VB yellow. And if so, this is the code we have written. Let's save this. And to save a file with these features, click no and then choose a macro enabled file type. The file type is, so select no, and here instead of saving it as Excel workbook, we'll save it as Excel macro enabled workbook and click on save. Now let us go back to the spreadsheet. Alt tab will get you to this spreadsheet. Now we'll go to the developer tab and insert form controls. There is a button, so we'll click on that and then we'll create a button here. So this is a button 5 click because previously I opened other buttons. Otherwise if it is initial button, then it will say button 1 click. Click OK, and now we have to assign this to a macro. Here here this button click will create a new one. So here you can see that sub button 5 underscore click and sub. And here we'll call this macro mcr1. Here I call this macro mcr1. Save it. Now let us go back to the spreadsheet. Now if I click this button, you can see this less than 50 we are getting in red color. This is 20 and 40, and greater than 90 we are getting 120 and 130 is greater than 90 we are getting in green color. And here also this is less than 50, so this is in red color 30, 10 and 25, and rest of them we are getting in yellow color. Now let us make some changes in this code, then see. So instead of VB yellow, if I say quote here, quote, it will be a comment. So let me say this one as RGB and is a color 100, 30, 50. So VB yellow has been commented now. This single quote means it's a comment, and instead of VB yellow I have given RGB colors 100, 30 and 50. Let us save this and run it again and then see. Go back here, we click the button again. See, for yellow we are getting this RGB color whatever the code defines. So you can see the RGB colors, what are the codes for RGB. Here we can again change it some other like 150, 120, 150. Let us see. Let's go back. If I click the button 5 again, you can see this color has changed. We are changing only the color for VB yellow. So you can either define as VB red, VB green and VB yellow, or whatever color you want, or you can define using the RGB and give these codes here so that you can get the required color you need or the combination of colors you need.